I'm sure you've seen videos like these, getting millions of views on YouTube, and people are making thousands of dollars from them. But here's the thing, you might think they're too difficult to create, but that's exactly why today, I'm going to reveal the entire blueprint. I'll show you how to make videos without any special skills or years of experience. This Faceless YouTube channel started just a year ago, yet it has already gained over 1 million subscribers and is making a 5-figure monthly income. Their videos consistently reach millions of views, but listen closely. This niche isn't saturated yet. Most people still believe creating videos like this requires years of practice. The truth is, the opportunity right now is massive. With this strategy, you can publish videos faster than almost anyone else in the niche. To keep things simple, I'll break everything down into a few easy steps. So, without any further delay, let's move on. First, you'll need to copy prompt 1 from the free resources I've shared in the description. Next, grab the link of any popular video from your favorite channel. Yes, the one you want to model your viral map animation on. Now, head over to ChatGPT. Paste the video link first, then drop in prompt 1 right after it. Hit generate. Within seconds, a full analysis of that video is ready for you. This analysis is the secret blueprint, the hidden code that reveals exactly why that video went viral. Moving on, now we're going to turn that analysis into pure content gold. Copy prompt 2 from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. For example, I've chosen US states facts, but you can pick any topic you like. In seconds, you'll get a clean list of 5 to 7 powerful facts. These facts will become the heartbeat of your viral script. Think of them as your building blocks. Finally, it's time to build your engaging script. Copy prompt 3 into ChatGPT, then simply replace the placeholder fact numbers with the ones you just generated. Hit enter, and just like that, you'll have a fully polished, engaging script ready to go. Now it's time to add the voice. Open up 11 Labs and head over to the text-to-speech option. Paste your script inside. And here's a pro tip. Make sure you add punctuation, commas, exclamation, or question marks. These little details make the AI voice sound more natural and engaging. Next, go to the voice library. Click on Explore More Voices, and you'll see a ton of options. Now let's fine-tune it. Select language as English, and under accent, go with American for a clean, clear tone. Then, choose category as social media, because this one is optimized to sound like a real content creator. Finally, pick the gender, male or female, whichever fits your style best. Hit apply, then preview a few voices. Once you're happy, just click download, and your professional voiceover is ready to drop into your video. Now comes the most exciting part, the motion graphics. Normally, creating animations like this takes hours, but with this tool, it's done in just a few clicks. Head over to Hera AI and sign in to the platform. Once you're in, go to Templates and click on Maps. You'll instantly see tons of ready-made animations. Scroll down and you'll find the exact template we need, the map animation with 2 countries. Click on it. A preview window will pop up, and here's where the magic begins. First, change the ratio to vertical, 9:16, because that's perfect for YouTube Shorts. Then, adjust the duration to auto-match your script. For example, in my script, I start with Alaska, then move down to Texas, California, and Montana. So, I simply type the prompt as, show the map animation of the USA. Zoom into Alaska with a highlight around it. Add text label Alaska, then move to Texas, California, and Montana. Click generate, and within seconds, the animation is ready. Smooth zooms, highlighted regions, and clean text placement exactly where you want it. And the best part, you can always tweak or move the labels if needed. So far, our animation looks amazing. Imagine a huge waving American flag filling the map. It instantly makes the whole scene feel powerful and complete. Here's how to do it. Open the template menu again, go to Maps, and this time, select the flag animation. Click on it once, then switch the format to vertical. Now comes the prompt. Type something like, show the full map of the USA. Zoom in slowly. Overlay a large waving American flag across the map, while keeping the country's outline visible. Hit generate, and just wait a few seconds. There it is. The exact animation we imagined. Smooth, sharp, and cinematic. And for the finishing touch, go straight to export. Select resolution to 1080p and set the frame rate at 30 FPS for that buttery smooth look. Then click export, and your animation is ready to fire up. Now that everything is set, Let's move to the most awaited part. But wait, if we only add video with voice, it feels plain and boring, right? That's why we're going to make it engaging. Instead of spending hours searching, I've already included a free sound FX pack and a background music pack for you. You'll find the download link in the description below. Make sure to use it while editing. For the editing part, we'll use CapCut. After importing the voice we created earlier, we'll notice there are some gaps in the timeline. These gaps happen where one clip ends and another begins. To fix this, simply split at the unwanted gap and press Ctrl+X to delete. Clean and simple. Once the voice is fully adjusted, we'll add the animations into our timeline. Sometimes animations may feel a little slow, but here's the trick. We can easily speed them up according to our timeline so everything flows smoothly. After locking the animations, it's time to add captions. Just go to the text menu and switch to auto captions and hit generate. And captions are added instantly. But as you can see, captions in plain text don't really grab attention. To make them pop, select all captions in the timeline. Then head over to animation and caption menu. Here, choose from different templates. Personally, I'm going with this one because it allows us to add both sound effects and background music for a dynamic feel. To polish it further, I'll drop in a swoosh sound FX so captions feel alive and in sync with visuals. Now check the zoom part of the video. Add the same effect for consistency. For the final touch, let's add background music. Drop it into the timeline, then slightly lower the volume around -20 decibels so it doesn't overpower the voice. Once everything feels balanced, simply click Export. Select resolution to 2K and frame rate to 30 frames per second. Hit Export, and just like that, your polished video is ready. And that's it. I hope this tutorial gave you not just a clear step-by-step process, but also a proper map to create engaging edits. I've also broken down more tutorials and free resources on my channel. You can check them out right after this. I'll see you in the next one. Keep building.